So today we're going to be looking at this environmentally friendly seed tray. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today we're going to be looking at this rubber seed tray. So if you haven't already, remember to leave a like on the video and click subscribe with notifications on, as we do all sorts of gardening videos on this channel, from growing your own fruit and veg to growing some sorts of trees as well. So the rubber used to make this product is totally natural. It is tapped out of live trees, which makes it a totally sustainable product, so they can keep on making these pretty much forever. You know, the pretty much invincible, if you will. You can't really break them, which makes them a lot better than other seed trays, such as the ones I use for my tomatoes, which easily break. So yeah, these ones will last a lot longer. I don't think plastic is as much of the issue. It's single-use plastic and, you know, thin, flimsy seed trays that, you know, don't last very long, whereas these last a lot longer. And it's made out of rubber, so you can pop your little plug plants out a lot more easier than hard or flimsy seed trays, which may break. Another cool thing about this product is that they work with growers in Sri Lanka through the Fair Trade Rubber Association, which helps to build them, you know, water supplies and schools, etc. So it's also helping other causes too. So we're going to be planting some French marigold seeds in here, as I think these little cells would just be perfect for those to make some little plug plants. So yeah, let's get planting some of those and we'll see how they grow. So I'm just going to fill these seed cells with some normal multi-purpose compost, as you would like any normal seed trays. You know, they've got some nice little cells in here, you know, perfect size for plug plants. This is the 30 cell one, so we should get, you know, quite a few plants. Another thing I would like to point out is you can tell they've really thought about these little cells, as they sort of taper in, if you will, at the bottom, you know, making the roots go more downwards, if you will. So many other seed trays do that, but as you can see, you know, some, even these bigger ones, don't go inwards like that. I have got some other ones that, you know, force the roots down, but it's just another nice thing to know that this product has been, you know, thought about. Pack as much compost in here as possible, so it holds some water and nutrients well. So I just have some marigolds here from Wilco. It's like 50p for 210 seeds, so it's a pretty good deal. These seed trays are definitely worth buying, and I will definitely get some other ones, you know, in the future, as, you know, these aren't going to keep on breaking. You know, like all these little flimsy ones I have, you know, they're not the best. Some of the thicker ones are alright, but this one also, this rubber one, also helps other causes, and, you know, it's a lot less likely to break. So I was going to put 2 or 3 seeds in each cell. I'll thin them out at a later date. So then I'm just going to press these down. You could water them beforehand if you wanted to, just so you don't wash them out, but I'm compacting these in well, like so, just so it holds, you know, a bit more soil. Some other plants you probably don't want to, you know, make the soil as firm, but, you know, marigolds, they're pretty tough to make some little compact plug plants. So I'm literally just pushing these down with my fingers. I'm not doing any precise depths or anything like that. They'll all still come up. Make sure they're all in there though. Then just a light sprinkling on top, like so. Push that in again and just brush it over lightly. Make sure all the seeds go in. And yeah, that should be it. So that's just to support it. I think I've got a tray that might fit these a bit better, but just for now, that will stay in there like that. Just so it doesn't, because it's rubber, you don't want it to flap around and that. But it's only the same as, using a plastic one. You have to have a base so it doesn't flap around as much. If you've got, flat shelves without, mesh holes in like mine, you might just be able to keep it on like that, but yeah, this should do the trick. So thank you to Plastic Free Gardening for sending me this seed tray out to trial and give a little review on. I really do think this product is absolutely amazing, and it also supports lots of other things, and it just helps and adds to another thing on reducing plastic waste. It comes with this little card sleeve thing, so yeah, this will be going into mulch or compost soon. Just rip it up, put it in the compost. So here you've got a nice sheet of cardboard as well if you want. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to sort these out, give them a water and put them on the shelf. I will update you on these as they grow, and then when we start to plant them out, pot them up into bigger pots or just put them straight into the ground, we'll be able to see how easily these things pop out of these trays. So I'll definitely be buying some more of these seed trays, as I think they're a lot better and more durable than the standard plastic ones, which may break more as they are a lot more flimsy, as these rubber ones that we've got are a lot more durable. So if you want to buy some, I've left the link down below in the description to their shop where you can buy some seed trays like these. I'm also looking forward to when they release their root trainers, and if you want updates on new products they're developing or other cool things on how to reduce plastic waste in the garden, I have left their Instagram link down below in the description as well. So thank you once again to Plastic Free Gardening for sending out this seed tray for me to try out and give a little review on. So thank you very much for that, and please tell me down below in the comments what you think of this product and if you'll be buying it. So apart from that, please leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and press subscribe with notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to watch my latest video, click up here, and to watch me give you some tips on how to sell some plants and make some money from selling some plants, click here, as you can use these seed trays to make some plug plants to make some profit off. So thank you once again for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one. So bye bye everybody.